Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'd like to show you a spinning reel which I bought for myself, and that's a KastKing Megatron 4000 series. Yes, it's called a Megatron, like from a Transformer movies. And I'm actually a big fan of the movie series, and that was one of the reasons why I've actually decided to buy one for myself. But that wasn't the main reason. The main one was I've actually had a really tight budget a few years back, and well, around like $40, and I've bought a KastKing Summer Reel 3000 series, if I'm not mistaken, and I use it up until now, and I never had issues with it, and that is why I've decided to check out another KastKing reels. So this one, well, from the first look, of course, well, I was surprised that there is a reel on the market which is called Megatron. To my surprise, well, there is one, and I'm holding it in my hands right now. Just look how beautiful it is. I'm not going to be talking about the specifics of this reel, about how many ball bearings it has, and so on, because there are so many videos out there which will tell you that, yes, well, it is an amazing reel. And what you want to know, whether this reel is, well, good or bad, whether you should test it out or not. Well, I will answer your question. This reel is pretty good, the drag is pretty smooth, and it looks very well designed, solid, black, and well, I will not be surprised if one day it will transfer into a small Megatron. Just kidding, guys. So when I went to the local post office with my friend and we've unboxed it for the first time, when he actually took it and, well, had a few spins, straight away he asked me about the price of this reel. It costs around like $65, and well, to my surprise, the next day I received a text message from him stating that, well, he ordered one for himself. So I would say that this reel is pretty good. I would actually recommend it to you. You can test it out, why not? And you can always return it if you don't like it. It can be used for saltwater fishing and freshwater fishing, and yes, it is a good reel. Honestly, a pretty good reel. That's basically all that I wanted to tell you. Don't forget to like the video if it was useful, and subscribe to the channel if you would like to support it, as it is brand new and it gives motivation on creating new videos. And that's basically it for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.